What's up everyone, today we're taking a look at a portable Bluetooth speaker, also known as the HD7 by Treblabs. That'll run you about 50 bucks, so I would safely place this thing into the budget category. Getting right into it, the speaker weighs 12.5 ounces, so it's decently light, while at the same time having a quality feeling weight to it. As well, this speaker is pretty much the perfect size for portability. It fits in the cup holder of your car, the drink pocket of your backpack, and it's easy to hold and walk around with. It's just a great size for taking it on the go. If we look at the top of the device, you'll find all your buttons. From left to right, there's the power/pairing button, the volume down button, which doubles as a skip backwards button if you hold it down, the play/pause button, and lastly the volume up button, which also functions as a skip forward button. They're all super tactile and have a pleasant clicky sound and feeling to them. If we move to the bottom of the speaker, you'll find a spot to attach the included wrist strap, as well as a spot to screw this into, say, your bike and whatnot, and a removable cover which reveals the headphone jack for plugging stuff directly into the speaker and the micro USB port for charging. The reason this is covered is because the speaker is IPX6 certified, so if you take it to the pool and it gets splashed a lot and there's water everywhere, it's going to be fine. This thing feels super solid and durable. The design is pretty normal, looks great, plus it's got a microphone so you can take calls and those cool moving subwoofers on both ends. Moving on to the audio quality, the overall sound this speaker produces is good. It's a bit better than what you'd expect from a $50 speaker at this point. The mids and highs sound really crisp, and the lows are decent. Super low end sounds are pretty weak, but your normal low ends aren't bad at all. The speaker is capable of 12 watts and has a frequency response range of 180 Hz to 16 kHz, which actually isn't even good for the price. The HD7 also has 360 degree sound, so no matter where you are in position to the speaker, the audio is going to sound the same. This thing is also able to reach a pretty nice max volume. It's loud enough to take to the beach or when you're hanging out with a group of people. Something really neat about this speaker is that if you have two of them, you can put them into this stereo mode where they're both linked and playing the same thing, and each one assumes either the left or right audio channel. This sounds really cool when songs have parts that play only on one audio channel, and it's useful if you want your music or whatever you're playing to extend into more space. The battery inside is 2,500 mAh and lasted me a really good amount of time. On average, I would get around 24 hours of use before it died. The Bluetooth range maxes out at around 33 feet, which is pretty standard, and there is a little bit of latency, which I measured to be around 1/10 of a second. This means that if you're watching YouTube videos or anything that has audio sync to some visual aspect, it's going to look a tiny bit weird. It's not terrible and is definitely watchable, but personally, I was able to notice it. Overall, for 50 bucks, this thing is pretty much all you could want in a portable Bluetooth speaker. It's got great sound, it's plenty loud, it's durable, heavily resistant to water, and it's the perfect size. Now obviously there are plenty of Bluetooth speakers out there which are just as good and similar in price, but this thing has it all and I have no problem recommending it. Thanks for watching. The link to the speaker is in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.